Hello. Okay, so YouTube was broken for a bit, but now it's working. That's fine. Okay, so the plan today is to add mobile support and a few more things. So first of all, let's fix some things. So that this nav icon here is broken. Let's get rid of it. Main.css, what is this? Okay. Hello. Hello Marcelo, hello Oreo, hello CW Ken. Hello. Did you get that SD yet? I'm currently using it. Yeah. I had it all along, I just wasn't using it because it didn't boot. Okay. Position absolute. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna get rid of this. The problem with this is when we edit this, we need to like recompile everything. So if we go into index, spinner, somewhere there's a navicon.css, which is here. And then we have to recompile it. And there's also an npm test. We're gonna do that as well. Yeah, it's much better with an SSD. So these tests are currently broken. There's some weird bug in the app. That crashes the browser. I don't know exactly where it is, so let's find out. Yeah, there's also a bug with the nav bar as well, so this is what we do to fix it. We're gonna manually get a new nav bar. There we go. I tried to make an animated icon thing, like this, but it didn't look good. Okay, this looks very strange so far. So let's actually go and add mobile support for this. And then we'll get onto fixing this crashing bug thing, but we're gonna start with mobile on the home page. Okay. Now, these images are acting weird, so this image, that was strange. I think this is what it actually looks like on mobile, like this. But there is some overflow here, which we do not want. And we also want to limit the size of the image. So that's what we're going to do here. So max width. We're going to set that to 90 view widths. Max height. auto, I don't know. Did that? No, not quite. Okay, I don't know if this is going to be a good stream, but after this stream we will have mobile support. I don't know if I'm in a good streaming, entertaining mood today though, so it might not be good. We're gonna focus on adding mobile support. That is what we're gonna do. This image right here is quite bad. Oh dear. Okay, there's actually a mobile CSS which provides global styles for this. Okay, so we're gonna have this important. Let's see if that works. Oh, it worked. Look at that. This submarine's going very slow, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide it on large devices. Display none, like that. It's kind of like messing with the display, so we don't want it. And then it appears here. Yeah, that will do. Maybe it can be down a bit more. So we're gonna focus on styling this time, this stream. I don't know if that appeals to anyone, but that's what we need to do. There we go. So more like fixing styling problems and the UI. There we go. So we have that works with mobile. I guess they can't really see what's going on. They might be able to if they have good enough eyesight. We could use smaller images on smaller displays, and that's what Google does with their logo. If anyone is watching, I don't know. I think all the viewers left. But they actually use this thing called source set, I believe. And it allows you to have like smaller images, but I've never used it before. So different source for different displays, I believe. What kind of music do you listen to on the stream? This one. It's in YouTube Studio Music. It's all free. Most of it is. Okay, does this look better? Does it look better centered like this? Is this better right here? Say yes in chat if it is. Hold on. What does Discord do? Don't know if there's any viewers today. Oh, Discord has like a thing, a sidebar. Interesting. First of all, this is on the wrong side, so text right. That's the thing, yep. It's either going to be in the middle or on the right side. Now that is on the right side. Yeah, we'll use that. So navbar, yep. Okay, so here we're gonna use text, right? Okay, so I don't think anyone is watching, so I'm gonna stream to myself. Okay. Text right. Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna take a more utility class approach. So what that means is we're gonna use utility classes everywhere. Yeah, there's a lot of delay to the stream. I am watching. Hello, Alex. Not alone yet. Yet. Okay, thank you if you're still watching. Hello, 12 viewers. I don't really look at the viewer count. Half of them are probably like... One of them is me. One of them is... I guess others are probably... Some of them are just in the background. Some might be bots. I don't know. We're gonna use someone suggested to use Tailwind CSS. We're gonna embrace Tailwind CSS. I've never used it before in its entirety, but I believe it looks better than Bootstrap. Now there was like a package called Minimal UI or something. I don't know, Minimal CI. Maybe I forgot what it's called. I forgot what it's called at this point. Yeah. I think it was a bit like Tailwind CSS, like it was a more lean version of Bootstrap. That's the only other CSS thing I've used, like CSS library, CSS utility, whatever library. So we're gonna use this. 24 failed. Okay. I did break stuff, so I could actually fix something. Okay, so we're only going to care about, when I say mobile support, it means like small phones like this, and that's it. If you're using a tablet, I don't think, I don't know how these companies really deal with that. I don't think they do though. I think they use the desktop website if they have a tablet. I don't think they have a separate category. So we'll just do the mobile version. Tailwind CSS, so we actually need to import this now. Okay. I'm not sure if Tailwind CSS actually looks like how this website was built. That'll be cool. Okay, so the code looks like this. Like you type loads of utility classes in instead of using CSS. It's quite cool. Okay, inter. They use inter. I think they're using, is this inter? Oh yeah, this is the same font that we're using for this. There's an issue with the font. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, it's too close together in my opinion. So letter spacing, this we'll steal their code like that. There we go. Ditch Discord, go Accord, not yet. Okay, so there's a weird bug with logging in. But this works on mobile, so that's good. So we're only going to use mobile for this. Hopefully, let's go. So create an account. This is mobile. I think I did this before. Let me just go into home. I'll sign up. So this message is outdated. And more users and more spaces may be available. I don't know. Maybe increased soon. There we go. Either max users, yep. I have a problem with registering, yeah. Registrations are disabled so that the app doesn't die so quickly, otherwise it will die very quickly, as everyone will be disappointed at how incomplete it is and leave. I think that's already happened to everyone who's signed up. I don't know if anyone actually uses Accord, like, right now. So, don't be disappointed if you can't sign in. It's not time. We just needed tests. What is... Discord server is discord.io/ADAMJR. Yeah. Okay. don't be disappointed if you can't sign in. That you're not missing out on much, to be honest. Yet. Okay, this should be flute, right? And then we're gonna add some padding. Oh. Cool. So we open the app. Developers have been busy, have they? Yeah, the guilds are broken and crashed the browser at the minute. I'm not entirely sure why yet. Hello, DropX. Okay. One change I did make this morning or yesterday, I don't know. At some point, I think it was yesterday. We got rid of, someone suggested, LoadX4 suggested about the underscore ID, and I just decided to get rid of underscore ID and only use ID from now on. I don't know. That means that when you type user.id, that's now a thing, and user underscore ID is a thing. It's a very minor change, but it will affect bot users and everything. What? Okay, we're not going to use the hidden attribute. Hold on. Using the hidden attribute is kind of dumb. So we're not going to use it. It's slower, actually, than using NGF, so... Yeah, so we're going to use... Where there is a disabled attribute, we can just hide it. In some places. So on the profile, I'm gonna actually use ngIf. ngIf is friend, we can actually see that. It just stops a bit of confusion. Guild overview. Word guild overview TS. Did I get rid of that? That's weird how it worked before, but when we type ngIf, I think maybe this loads before. So member list. Oh, that fixed it. There we go. So member list, any. NG if member list not expanded. Nope. Oh, sorry, I did forget that these noises are very annoying. Someone mentioned how annoying these noises were, so what we can do about that is what is going on? Now we can send super chats. Okay. Okay, so these images need to be smaller. Oh, width, no. So let's fix the home on mobile. Oh no. Oh, that's... So features and then this, okay. I might put this in... I'm debating whether to put in home CSS, this, or to have one mobile CSS with all the mobile styles in. Yeah, I think for now we're going to use this. These are global styles though. Okay. This should not have margin left. Margin. MR3, nope. Yeah, so MR, we're gonna say MR LG3, so when it's large, there we go, and then when it, at some point, it's removed. Okay. I think the font looks a lot better now. Okay. The headings, although there's none right here. Now, sidebar on mobile, probably the biggest part of mobile development. Now we've done homepage, check. We're doing all of these now. And the biggest part of this stream probably is making this sidebar like mobile. Okay. It needs to be mobile ready. Currently, it is not mobile ready. So make home page mobile ready. Okay, so now the reason that yeah I do need to finish that sentence. Oh no, because that, okay, so overflow hidden, overflow X. No? Yeah, overflow X hidden. We're just messing with the styles at the minute. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Mat side nav, and that is, I don't know, it's here. We're gonna put this in mobile.css, and we wanna ideally keep this small as possible, maybe. Okay, so at some point, oh, medium devices, I think. Nah, medium devices are too big, so this is iPad right here, 768. They can, we don't need to worry about them. Overflow X, hidden. Could you show how to make a meme command like dank memer? I skip fight. I'm sure there's like many tutorials out there. I don't know exactly like an image command. I think it just uses Reddit images. I think it just gets a random link off Reddit. One of the commands does. But yeah. So just moving my desk. Okay. Right, so options, something here needs to be at 105, so when we refresh, when we do 125, it breaks because the scroll bar is bigger, so we need to fix that. Okay, so there we go. It now fits onto here, which is good. Okay, that actually did nothing because it wasn't configured to do anything. think it didn't work that time. Okay. Okay, so there's a lot going on, so I'm gonna have the mic disabled until further notice. Okay, there we go. It aligns, and we can get this to align too. Now we're gonna make it so that we can expand this and collapse it as well. Are you remaking Discord or making a new client? We are remaking Discord. Some features from Discord. Hello, SC Smart Tech. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so we need to add... Yeah, we need to add more of this. Matt side nav toggle. Okay. Yeah, them sounds are just inevitable at the minute. So when we save, sometimes they are in the background, like that. So what we can do is this. Gone. We don't need this border radius thing, I don't think. Yeah, we don't, because we already have that somewhere. Don't need this guild icon thing, I don't think. What? I think we're using it for one little thing. Keep saying the word thing. Say if we get rid of this. Okay. Now, guild icon. Somewhere is using this class. We don't want that. Actually, we can get rid of some of it. We're trying to clean it up. Yeah, so... Margin 5px. So we're mainly styling this stream and adding mobile support. That is the plan. So we're going to call this icon wrapper instead of guild icon. Hopefully that doesn't mess with anything. Loading tips looking good. Thank you. Yeah, I kind of spent too much time on that, but it's not complete yet. It's a work in progress, and there needs to be more added to it as well. Hold on. Yeah, so we're gonna get rid of this. Plus icon is a bit small. Okay. Ah. Yeah, we don't need these either. Yeah, that is not centered. Line height. Let's say if we have line height of 52 pixels. Nope. Yeah, I guess that works. And then margin left of 5 pixels. Oh, that does not look good. Guild active, so when I click this, it goes active, I think. That will do though. Toggle, we don't really have one at the minute. This should go at the top. Background color. Transparent, BG transparent, we'll put on it. Oh, we already have that. text primary. I can't log in. 2FA doesn't work. It should work, but I don't know if it. Okay. There's no feature to reset the password at the minute, which there may be in the future. Okay. So when it comes to these bug fixes, I think I'm going to be focused on preventing them rather than fixing them, which is less effective if we just fix them manually, because they're just going to appear in some other place, which they have and always will do. So, yeah. Now, a way I've been doing that is I've been testing in Guild event service and things. Like this. Loads of tests. And there's a few more files of tests, but most of them work. We'll get onto that later though, hopefully. Okay, so now we want to actually make sure that this sidebar opens and closes. So let's do that. Okay, there is one issue here. I think it's because I messed with the height or width or something, the width, and it messed with this. Okay. So what we're gonna do is get rid of this. Yeah, that didn't do anything. You're gonna make a library for this Discord clone, a very basic one that will allow you to create bots. So basically it will be what we currently use in the website. It will be callback based. You can make it promise based. Oh no, there may be promises in there, so you can do asynchronous stuff, and it works most of the time. And these work every other time, so on, emit, yep. Some events do not work with emit async, like typing, so that's one thing to keep in mind. So to receive events, it's the same as in any other library, like discord.js. You type this .add friend, me add friend, or whatever function, you don't have to type this in. This is just what we have here. And then you receive arguments from the server. Now you can make discord.js or dclone or accord.js out of this. But we're not going to make a comprehensive API wrapper at this time. I don't think we will, as anyone can do that. Okay, there we go. So 5 more users at the end of the stream, because we are adding mobile support. That's quite a big feature. Yeah. Now, there is an issue here. Just ignore this bad styling. Maybe we'll fix it. It never goes in the middle. Oh, okay. Let's actually fix this then, I'll try to. Yeah, we did install Tailwind CSS, but we'll use that when we need to. Or if I ever think about it. Margin. Now that is good. This is what Bootstrap cannot do, I don't think. Okay. I bought a Udemy course. Hold on. I bought a Udemy course, it helped me a lot, thanks. No problem. Have you Windows 10 and Ubuntu installed? Dual booted, yes. Although the Windows 10 uses a hard drive in the minute. Windows 10 with a hard drive is not good. It's very slow. Yeah, this is not going to align. I think that's somewhat aligned. No, not really. We're gonna have to add manual CSS for this one. So for the user, now this is on a smaller screen. Okay, that's just too much. what do you like about CSS or HTML? I don't think there's any alternatives really for Angular. Well, there might be, but it does the job. I don't know. I've just used it all the time for Angular. Yeah. Okay. So this thing is not centering. It's not directly in the center, which may annoy some users. So okay. We don't have to get it perfectly in the center, but close. Now this right here, so text center. Let's see. Yeah, we don't want that. So we're gonna have like ML5, see how that does. Okay, too much ML3. Okay. So, separator. I know this is very petty what we're doing, and it's not really mobile. It's not really that important, but save some time fixing it. Eh, 22.5, is that somewhere in the middle? Yep, that will do. Okay, so now we want a collapsible sidebar. So what is a collapsible sidebar? So basically we click a button and then the sidebar's gone, basically. I'm trying to remove it. There we go. Now the content's still there, but the side nav is like hidden. I made a Python code and transformed it using PyInstaller into an .exe. But when I click it, it shows for a sec and then dies. I think .exe is built for Windows programs, but Python. I'm not sure Python can be run as a .exe without compiling it properly. So it might be a problem with the compiler that makes it into a .x or the actual scripts. I've never ran like a Node.js program as a .exe. I'm not even sure that's possible. But I don't know if these scripting programs are like natively supported by it. Okay, so there might be a way to like drag this across the screen. I've never done this before, but like move this off the screen when we drag it. Okay, so we're gonna look at some loads of examples on CodePen until we find one, like Discord, because we want one that where we like drag it with our finger and then it goes to, yeah, like this. Did you install Ubuntu desktop? Oh, okay. When I boot Ubuntu off USB, it brings me to a terminal and asks questions. What kind of questions? I think Bootstrap, I think Discord has like a... So one way they could have done it is... Hold on. Sidebar, let's go into sidebar. So the way they could have done it is had like hidden elements here, and then they actually move this way, so there's overflow X, and then they can move the sidebar. I think that could work. That may be how they do it, and then they have like, if you move it this way a bit, it moves the entire thing, and that might be something, some CSS on a sidebar, so it should be pretty simple. Okay. Footer. Okay, we're fixing this minor bug. There we go. Fix sidebar impurities. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do, instead of having a draggable sidebar, now if we're using JS and all of that, what we've done there is I don't know what the plural for think is, but we've been overthinking that. So, yeah. Overflow X, that's what we need. Overflow X, mobile CSS, map drawer, okay. Style hidden important. No, we don't want that. We want to be able to scroll left or right. I'm going to keep that there for now. Yeah. Don't know if this is contributing to it. Okay, overflow hidden, that could be a thing somewhere. No? Okay. I have Windows 10 Home. Okay. Discord uses React Native, which has gesture elements components. I don't know what gesture elements components are, but sounds interesting. Okay. I would not switch to Ubuntu for playing games, okay? I think Microsoft is better. Microsoft Windows is better for playing games. Some games you can play on Linux, but some games... I mean, I did try and set one up earlier, but didn't get anywhere. Yeah. Some games are actually faster on Ubuntu than Windows. Probably all the games. Or most of them, not all of them. Because there's less going on in Ubuntu than Windows, less tasks, I think. So, I've heard that anyway. Haven't tried a game on Ubuntu. Apart from Snake. That's it. Okay, so overflow hidden we might have. Overflow hidden. Why have we got that? Oh. Not found, member username. Okay, it's not looking obvious at the minute. We don't want this to... We need to plan this. So, when this is going in, this thing here, content. So when this is going in, we could have like width, min width 360 px, and then it does this. At some point it decides, wait, stop, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna continue going in. So that's what we want. So start. So min width 360, which is, I guess, the minimum average small phone, like Galaxy S5. was a Galaxy S5. I've never actually... Oh, okay, so this is like a small phone. I mean, if you're using a Nokia or a BlackBerry, we're not going to support that. We're not going to have native support for that because not many people will have that, I suppose. So this Google accounts for like most popular phones here. Coding is the only thing I could do. The laptop is 13 years old. That doesn't sound good. 13-year-old GPU, okay. I think the hard drive I have in this PC is like 20 years old. It's older than me. And when I load Windows on it, it takes 10 minutes. If I were to stop the stream now and open a game on that hard drive, then it would take me like 10 minutes on average to boot and actually load it. The game takes like 5 minutes to open. And then when I use an SSD, it takes a few seconds. It takes under a minute if I were to do that. I'm using Ubuntu now. Windows is trash. Windows, it's good for some things. It has its... I forgot my... Yeah, it has its strength, including games, because of its support. I forgot my Aqua password. Okay, we need to address this problem. I did also forget my Aqua password for one of my accounts. So on my accounts. Password reset, so how this would probably work. Use a tombstone. It sounds so ominous. Okay. Deleted user name, that's what it means. So Aqua password reset. So what happens? Now this is just an idea, that is more than an idea, it's probably a feature at some point. Send email, verify code, oh no, reset password page with link to page, reset password page, and then we need numbers here. Password reset. Redirects to login with message. Password reset. There we go. This is a planned out system right here. That's how it would probably work. The system shouldn't be too hard, but hopefully we do it at some point. Okay, so Tailwind CSS, I just have this open and it looks epic, but we're not currently using it right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to be able to scroll this way, and what happens when we scroll this way? Well, Okay, there's a thing on this where we click features. It's kind of like this, where it like smoothly scrolls to the right like Discord does. Yeah, it's CSS scroll regions, I don't know, something like that. If we go in CodePen, we'll find it eventually. Pen, what is that? Why did I click on this? Okay, that was completely automated. My brain's being automated. Yeah, some things I do in the streams are like completely automatic. I don't even think about it. CodePen. Scroll snap. It's like a scroll snap thing. We're getting there. Okay, it might be this. So holy. Okay, this is really good. Okay, I'm not signing in. But this is really cool. It looks 3D, but I don't know if it is. It doesn't. If this is 2D, they've done like an amazing job. Okay. Scroll snap. Let's see. Oh, it's this. It's this. Where, let's say this screen's upside down. I don't know how you do that on Ubuntu, but the screen could be like facing another way, and horizontally this is what we'll do, and like snap it like that. I think that is possible. Okay, yeah, so scroll snap, something like this. We're gonna keep on to this. Okay, be right back for 2 minutes. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. Hello if you're still watching. Cannot press view changes on the devs has been busy. What? Okay, it worked when I tested it. Okay, it should work. If it doesn't work for you, then please report the bug. It might be on different browsers. Okay, so scroll snap. So this is what we do. Scroll snap. Okay. So when I set the sidebar, so I kind of mean something like this on mobile, where we scroll this way, and the scroll bar won't be here, but you just like drag it this way. Oh yeah, and it does something like this. Mandatory, this is what they use probably. Okay, so brilliant. Scroll snap type. Okay. So mandatory. Okay. So planning actually saves us a lot of time. Scroll snap sidebar. Okay, scroll snap. Scroll nap. Example. See some more. Okay, I don't know what this is. I'm just going on every random website. Okay. Okay, we'll just implement it and see what happens. So it has a scroll container, and inside the scroll container, it has this scroll snap type thing. Yeah. And what is the scroll container in this case? Let's open it. I think it's just... I think it is body. Like... There we go. Body. Scroll. So this is X. Now scroll. There we go. Don't think I did anything yet. Overflow X. I don't know why there's nothing actually on the screen. It's a bit weird. Like, there's nothing to the right of this. It just goes like this. Yeah, we don't want that. So overflow X. New Discord branding is ugly. Which Discord branding? I think I like the new update, actually, that they did with the reactions. That's the only thing I did like, that I did notice. The reactions look a bit better, I think. I didn't see much else though. might be different for you, but... Oh, this is not good. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Oh, it's up here that we need to scroll. So we need to set up this body. Scroll snap type, that is the container. Yeah, let's use this as an example. Let's actually reconfigure this. So it's a bit different. We're gonna reconfigure this. We're gonna have the sidebar so that I can demonstrate, and then we're gonna have the content. Change view, we'll do this. So we have the sidebar, content. Yep, cool. Cool. Hold on. P height 100%. Scroll snap align start. Okay, place item center. Didn't even know that's a thing. Okay, so we don't want this to take up the entire room. The picture is pixelized. Is your bitrate dropping? I think that is normal. 267. I don't really look at that, but I think it's normal though. Yeah, if it looks a bit weird. I think the display settings are normal. Okay. So we don't want these block level elements. We're gonna actually just... We want two divs right here. We don't want them to take up the entire real estate. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna simulate the actual sidebar. Make so you can change theme. You can change the theme right now. Better accord. I don't think that needs to be a thing, but customizable themes, I think we're gonna do more of that. I eventually. Like, I was thinking of making where you can share themes, because if I make the themes, then they're not going to be very good. Currently this theme is alright. Support. But other themes are not that supported, so we're going to be able to make it so that anyone can customize them. That's the plan anyway. I don't know when we'll do it, but maybe. Like, what I mean is, like, you can... Yeah, the settings isn't working right now. I did refactor the entire website before this. I think we can just go to setting channels. Oh no, okay. I think if we have something like echo.app/theme/ like an invite code, something like that, or we have like a theme marketplace, like VS Code does, or we can either have like a bot list, but like a theme list instead, where someone makes a theme list. So I prefer this idea. Maybe we'll do this for... Yeah, maybe we'll do this for Accord as well. Instead of having an integrated bot list, we'll have just what Discord does, which is not have one, but allow people to make one if they want to, and have shareable links for themes. That's one idea. Don't know if that's a good idea. Themes marketplace. I don't mean where you buy them and sell them. Marketplace where you just share them. That's what I meant. Okay. Yeah, again, I'm not gonna sell them like Microsoft does with some in-game items or EA, but that would kind of destroy the purpose of them. Yeah. Also, Samsung, like, for some phones, I think they sell themes. It can work with some things, like Android devices, if you want an Android theme. But for Discord or a Discord app, I think it would be a bit silly. I mean, you can just download Chrome extensions that do the same thing for free if someone makes one. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make this work eventually. Okay, so we need the width to be 200% or something. There we go. So when we scroll this way, the idea is sub height 100%. No. Maybe I'll save this later. Yeah, we do. Height is what? Okay, something like this. But when we scroll this way, okay, so the sidebar takes up the entire screen on mobile. We scroll this way, and it snaps. And that goes like this. Scroll a bit. There we go. That's the idea. Mandatory. We're gonna have this like 360 pixels, so it looks realistic. They're both very similar sizes. Then we have something like this. Oh. Okay. Work in progress. I can't log in, I can't log in. I can't log in. You can't log in. Wait. Have you signed up? Because sign-up's currently disabled, but 5 users will be able to do sign up after. Scroll, yeah, we're trying to do something like this, essentially. Trying to master it. So start. Yep. Parent is on parent. Well, CSS for containers children, so that's true. Above container is, yep. Next container snaps, okay. We're gonna get rid of everything that we don't need. Let's see what happens when we do that. Okay. Yeah, we'll just keep that. Right. So something we're doing is not perfect. Right. I really wish I knew what I was doing. Yeah. Parent, maybe we can put this on here. Okay, it needs to actually snap. Yep. Yeah, this looks really pixelated and weird. X, Y, so we want X, mandatory. If I didn't spell it wrong. Yeah. Scroll snap a line at start. Okay, we don't need this. There we go. Actually, we might need that. But we can put it onto this one, like that. Cool. I'm going to disable my mic. Can you add a slot? 5 users will be able to join after this. It was 55, but now it's 60 after this stream. We're just adding mobile support at the minute, or trying to. And to fix. We're trying to actually add a sidebar at the minute. Okay, this is not working at the minute, so we're just going to add it directly to here and see what happens. So, currently we have this, but unless the user puts their phone in this position, it's not going to work. So we want the user to be able to have it in portrait. What does it look like in this? Oh, it just looks like this. Not very good, but yeah. So we want to be able to scroll this way, so we're going to get rid of overflow X, where we need to. Okay, so I'm... CSS is my weakness, by the way, so I'm trying to scroll this way. So it works like this, but I want to get this out of the way here when I do that. Okay, another way I thought about this is if we do this with the mouse, then it can just collapse this, and if we do this with the mouse, then it can expand this, like, programmatically. It's a real mystery. Yeah. Okay. Don't know what just happened there. This name's a bit long, so we could like make this lower. Okay, we could toggle it. We could have a toggle sidebar button, like that goes into here. I don't know how that will look in settings, but it will work. It should work. Now CSS scroll snap does not work. At the minute, scroll snap, code pen, scroll snap, horizontal. So we want a code pen example of this. Be nice. I guess this is supposed to be a phone. Scroll right to see in action. What have we got? Let's get rid of these background images. We don't need them for this. Okay. So we're also going to add, we're going to try again with this, overflow X scroll. We want a scroll bar here. Oh, it's already here. Hide the scroll bars. No. We don't want to do that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we will hide the scroll bars on mobile, like this. This is just so we know what's going on. Let's see if it works on mobile. Okay, good. So when the user does this, content here, sidebar here. And then we have like member list here. I think this is better than any other one. So sidebar. Content member list, yep. Where's this? Okay. Sidebar. What are we doing in here? Full screen. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Don't want to be able to scroll down, but that could be contributing to this. I don't know. I think that just makes it high. Side nav, okay. Now, keep getting attacked by a fly, okay. NG content, so this is one section here. Class section, scroll section we're gonna call it. We're gonna think of something, and we're gonna hope that it works. It might have to improvise. So we have the side nav and we have the side nav content. They both serve as a scroll section and a scroll section. It's going to be defined in mobile.css. And it's going to have the width be 100 view heights. Min width or max width, sorry. Will I get an alpha badge because I've made my account? Don't think there'll be alpha badges. There will be bug testing ones. There will be OG ones as well. Ones for November. Because people asked last year and I didn't release the app until recently, and badges haven't released yet. It's been too long. Okay, we also need a scroll container, which will be this. So this will be the container right here. So, mat side nav container. We don't even need a class. Actually, we might need to. Classes are good for like describing what things do. So I'm going to do that scroll container. Okay, scroll section. We also need to get rid of that, that's trash. We also need to do this on the sections. Okay. They kind of just sit there if we can't see them, like in the right corner, right side. Well, this is difficult. Overflow X, overflow when I can speak. Scroll, and then hopefully we'll... Yeah, so this is the container. Oh, I've already put that. Okay, important. Let's see. Oh! Scroll bar. Don't know if that counts though. Width, 3,300. Not 3,000. Oh! Getting something. That's what we want right there. And we also want to, in body, we want to hide this at some point. Making progress, I think. Somewhere. Oh, we don't even, yeah, okay. Hidden, yeah, sure. Okay. So we want this to now snap, so this will be for the member list. Now, currently here there is no member list. Oh, there's a lot of width down here as well. A lot of height, should I say. I might want to get rid of that. Don't know what that is though. Something is down here that shouldn't be there. Body, no. Head, HTML. That's weird. Okay, we're gonna have this as well, so no overflow Y. None. Is that a thing? Nope. Let's see. Interesting. I don't know where that came from though. Should not be there. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so we want this to actually snap, but that is the issue here. So this should be a scroll section. So we're gonna do scroll container, then element. Why not? See what happens. Oh, not really. So it's like this, and then that. So descendant selector. Options, no, that's not one. This. Yep. I think it's actually 200% it should be. I don't know how I'm going to put the member list. Maybe the member list. We'll figure that out later. Oh, I think it kind of worked there. I don't think the snapping worked, but I believe that did something. Okay. That is working well. I think that works, right? No. Almost. Yeah. Okay, okay. Apparently people can't log in. See if I can log in. Just testing the login. Oh, JWT expired. Interesting. Wait, what's going on here? Login, what is it doing? Okay. What? Okay, so it should work with 2FA. It does. But there are a few, like, bugs with it. Oh. Where's the color red? Yeah, so this is what it looks like with multiple people. It doesn't show anything to me. FA, it does work if you refresh, but that code is invalid. I don't know why it says code is invalid. Maybe channel just broke for me. That is weird. Yeah, currently you have to click this twice and it works. Oh my, what's going on? Add friend, you are already friends. Yeah, there's something wrong with the last update. Channel not found, okay. I think I just wanted to sleep when I was making this. Incoming. What? That was weird. Oh, the messages are gone. Why is that? Let's see. Okay, this is why the alpha is not publicly released. It was a good idea, but this is why it isn't. If you thought you were missing out. Oh, it's gone for me. I think it's when you refresh the app. Oh no, it's back now. Yeah, the message is on the list to update. The message thing. Yeah, let's fix this channel now. So, somewhat mobile navbar. There we go. Somewhat mobile navbar. Now let's make a DM channel. I hate that noise. What noise? The ping noise. The d-d noise. Thinking about remaking it in a different instrument. If that's an issue. That's what happens. That's a ping sound right there. Yeah. What? Okay, maybe it's just lagging. Oh, okay, no, hold on. There's like a weird text channel thing with this bug. Where it's a bit higher. Maybe I broke something, I don't know. Yeah. When bots, when things work. There we go. Oh, someone asked to accept friend request. Hold on. Okay. It mostly works. We're working on testing the website more. We currently did 70 tests before this stream. And we're working on adding more, so there's less bugs, but there's always going to be a few bugs, unless we have like a... Well, there always is going to be, that's the reality. Yeah. Not as many bugs as there are now. There's always going to be some sort of minor bugs. For me, the page is still loading. That's normal. I think make the ping noise. Make the noise only when ping. What is this made? It's made in Angular. Why doesn't send from request? It should work to send from requests. In what is this made? Like already said that. Okay. Channel, text channel, let's go. So you want to make this actually fit in the view. DM component. Okay, so this is going to be. I guess we can have span dot. Text overflow ellipses. See if that works. Yep. Title. So we're gonna have max width 100%. No? Okay, maybe it's in the wrong one. Yeah, I think it's in the wrong category. Place. Title. Word. Okay. Let's have this in dashboard navbar. I think it's in a better place there. So dash nav, this place. Oh. Okay. It's being very hard. Text overflow ellipses. Oh, there we go. So now it's not doing that. We have a workings. It almost works. I guess it does work, but there's improvement to be made. It works. Okay. Also, people were complaining that this was too low. Yes, it is. It is too low. Let's move this up. Let me read comments. What's going on? Okay, we're adding mobile support right now. So we've added, get rid of this and this. There we go. Hold on, let me add it for friends, like here. Now there isn't support for this at the minute. Width 100% important. Yep, there we go. And then so we're gonna how should we do this? We could have like a toggle navbar thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. So as we have in navbar, we have like this toggler thing. Oh, that's epic. So we're gonna make it like that. Okay, so we have something there, although I don't like it how it's a button. So what's this border thing? We want to get rid of that. Border. Okay, so what we're going to do is in styles, we'll find bootstrap. And then we're going to border none important. Actually, we don't even need to do that, that's silly. Never mind. Okay. Navbar brand. So where are we putting this? Fly. I'm being attacked by a fly. Hey ADAMJR. What keyboard are you using? This keyboard here. That's what it's called. It's a bit loud and it does get dirty very quickly. The dust gets trapped underneath, but apart from that, I'd say it's pretty good. If I were to get another keyboard, I'd get like a quieter mechanical keyboard. If you want to actually yeah, it is a bit loud. If you want to have good audio quality, not like me. Okay, want this on the right, but it is not moving. I guess this will work outside of elements. So navbar supported content. It will work between elements, I suppose. So that means that when we do this, not there. Me overview somewhere. I don't know what that noise is. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is too high. a bit weird. Okay, so let's add this navbar thing, this toggler. Yeah, I don't know why it's zoomed out so much. If we do that, it does that. Okay, so the idea is we click this and then these come down here, these buttons, and this is in the corner of this. That may have not made any sense, so I'm going to explain. In a minute. Okay, so this is it where it should be. Oh, okay. I clicked a button and now it's gone. Okay, well it does work. I did do something there. I think clicking that breaks it. There we go, but it does hide everything, which we don't want. Oh. Yeah, so this is what I mean. Online all. Could this be on the right? I'll recheck in a sec. Hold on. It's not wanting to go right. Okay, off we go. I have you friended twice. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay. There is a minor imperfection here. I want this to float left. So then this will stack like this. There we go. Okay, so what Discord does on their navbar on the mobile, this is what they have. So they have like a border radius. 15 pixels. They have like a rounded thing like this. And we're gonna have that on the mobile. it just indicates that. Give me a second. Border right radius. So, and then there's bottom. Yeah, it just indicates that that you can scroll this way. And then there's like shadow. Now, this is where Tailwind CSS comes into play. And now we're going to import Tailwind CSS somewhere. We're going to add box shadow to it. Let me just import that. Is it gonna restart? What? Hello. Hello Falls Eclipse. I think I said that right. Welcome. Yeah. So styles.css, let's go into there. So Tailwind. Hopefully they tell us where to actually import it. Wait, you can import a CSS file in JS. I did not know that. Okay, let's just guess where it is. It might be in here somewhere. So import this file right here. This file is the least that I'm proud of in the entire project. It's a mess, basically. I'm not very proud of this file, should I say. So hopefully we'll improve it over time. Yeah, I think there's another issue with this mobile thing. So, is that a thing, Tailwind? Oh, it is. Brilliant. So now what we can do, assuming Tailwind didn't break things. P0, okay. PL40. They have loads of PLs. Yeah, shadow. We want Tailwind shadow, so let's do that. This is what I was originally using to get these shadows in the first place, but we never actually imported Tailwind. So yeah, we were using this. What have we got? Okay. Okay, apparently 5 seconds is... it's too short, so... we're gonna extend it to 7.5. There we go. Okay. What is going on? This is being constantly updated. That is very weird. Why is it doing that? Yeah. Let's fix this DM channel. Right here. How much time have we been streaming for? Okay. Yeah, this thing at the bottom could be improved. Now, this right here does not need to be there, so we're gonna have a function to disable that. And it's gonna be disabled by default. And in dashboard and navbar, let's have an input. What's it called? Toggle. Has toggle. Okay, so ngIf what? ngIf has toggle. Okay. Not on here though, I'm just automated. That was automated. Okay, cool. So we choose when to actually show it. And then in DM we actually show it. The app may have crashed there for some reason. There's a bug responsible for that. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Dashboard navbar. Okay, so we need to set this to true. And then in dashboard navbar, we're actually gonna ngIf, that's what we're doing. So this should work. There should be a toggle thing here. There isn't, which is weird. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make this hidden by default. So currently, I don't know why this isn't working. But currently this is collapsed. Collapse show. Collapse show it is. So by default in the DM component, we want to show that it is hidden. I keep forgetting where it is. My brain is not working greatly today. Yeah. Collapse. So somewhere on here, wherever I put it. Not even on here. Me overview somewhere. Here we go. We put collapse, I think. And then it doesn't show up, and then we have to click this. Boom. Cool. That works. Now I don't know why this is acting all weird when I type it like here. So ngIf has toggle equals true. I don't know. Yeah. Accord crash, yes. There is a bug with crashing. That is planned to be fixed. Yeah. This is being very strange. Okay. I think we put in true there and it should work, right? Or is it being reversed? ngIf has toggle. Oh, we're putting it in DM, that's why. Yeah, my brain is severely quite there today. Did have less sleep than usual. That's probably why. Not even this file. I keep doing this. I keep looking for the wrong thing. Has toggle. Okay. It's in dashboard now. There we go. Finally. Okay, one thing that's wrong with this, me overview, mobile. I need to end the stream in a while, in a few minutes, actually. So, as I need to go somewhere, but one thing I did say I was going to do is actually add 5 users to the platform. There we go. Add 5 users. I'm going to deploy that now. So okay. Right. Oh no, what have I done? Okay, hold on. Accord will be online in a few minutes. It does take like ages to restart though. Okay, there we go. So hopefully you can actually log in now. I tried to stream today, it did not go to plan. I'm not gonna stream when I feel like this in future. So that, yeah. What's the official Accord Guild? It is it's listed here. There we go. 6. It's here. docs.accord.app. There we go. Thank you for watching. Now this update should be released at some point this week. There is improvements to be made. So, but we have made progress nevertheless today. Definitely for adding sidebars. There is this crashing bug. I just clicked on a guild. It's not present in the actual current Accord update. So, but there is a similar bug that I haven't found yet. So hopefully, yeah, Accord will be online in a few minutes. So let's. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it is online. It is online now. Yeah, we did make a lot of progress with mobile. But the official Accord Guild thing, this is the invite. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we will release this update in a few days at least. And mobile users will be able to log in. There we go. If you find bugs, please report them to this website. Here, there, and I will try to fix them. Okay.